On this video, we'll take a look at this 4-piece bathroom hardware accessory set made out of corrosion-resistant and finger-proof stainless steel. We're also going to take a look at faucets that are going to make your bathroom look sleek, modern, and fresh. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright, so this is the set. It's going into this washroom over here. We're going to be putting in that right here. Then toilet paper is going to go here. So this is basically going to be here. We're also going to take a look at a couple of accent black matte water taps here. That's going to make your bathroom look sleek and modern. Well, now this is also part of the kit, or you can get this separately. This is the double towel rack, right? So this is what it looks like. And as a whole, it definitely looks nice. So you basically take this off. It's not glossy. It's kind of like a matte finish, which I like. This is the bracket that's going into the sleeve of the hangers. We want to attach this to the surface. If you have a drywall, you can use a silicone. If the silicone is not holding enough, that's when you want to go and add some screws. There is a sleeve in here and then 2 bolts that are screwed in with an Allen key provided. So we're going to take this and put this over top and then tighten it from the bottom. And then there's a stopper. There you go. Also, if you guys are interested, these are 2 additional things that I have in this washroom. So these are pretty nice, cool taps. I picked these up just under 50 bucks, which is unreal because if you go to any hardware store, these are like in excess of 150 each, right? And then they have this little spout in here. I quite love them, and it's only a single spout, and it's got a dual accent, right? There's like a little chrome here, and these come in different colors as well. There's the other one here. And then this is a soap dispenser. And check this out. Right? That's how simple it is. We got our soap. We wash. And then we wipe.